Hey there, Ryan here. Silly reviews. We have an LED light busy board. This is for small children.
Can you order fried pickles from that place?
It's really going to perk up all their senses. There's so many lights, colors, sounds, ways to interact. It's really cool. Look on the bottom here, battery precautions. You're going to need to provide your own AAA batteries. You're going to need 2 of them. Take a look on the side and it kind of lets you know some of the activities they'll be doing. The Montessori busy board, toddler friendly. This is a gift to my neighbor's little kid, but we're going to open it up, take a look at it. Link is in the description. At the time of this post, there is a coupon to clip on Amazon as well. Really affordable. I think you're going to get that under $15 shipped if you're Prime or you make a qualifying order. That's pretty darn good. Now we take a look. It's packaged up adequately. Got a bag in a bag, and inside of that bag we do have the busy board. And it's really cool. It feels like it has enough heft to be durable. Seems like it's made pretty well. There was nothing broken, nothing cracked. Everything where it should be. You get this tiny little screwdriver here. So what do you do with the screwdriver? Well, like I told you, you need to supply your own AAA batteries, and you do need 2 of those batteries. They go into the back. That's a boo bap. That's a cool thing. For sensory, they have, you plug things in, you turn keys, you flip switches, you press buttons. We're gonna get to that. It's really cool. But you'll see kids just going to town with this thing. Now, they do have a horn sound on here, and that may get on your nerves a little bit, but give it a chance to enjoy it. And I bet if you disassemble this thing, you can simply pop a wire off and kind of nullify that horn sound. You unscrew this tiny little battery, tiny little screw on the battery compartment. It pops out. Pop your batteries in there, and your kid will be ready to go. I will tell you, this seems to be very easy on the batteries, even if they leave it running. It's LED lights. It's very tiny little speaker in there for audio. So snap your battery lid back on there. Make sure you put that screw back in. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't need to, because I need to take the batteries out and package this up like it's never been opened to give as a gift. But you'll want to put that screw back in that battery compartment, that lid, so the kid doesn't lose it. But some of this is made out of metal, which is nice. The tactile feel, I think, is really going to be exciting for the kid. That's your speaker and that's your horn button. We haven't turned it on yet. Like I said, that could get a little bit annoying, but let the kid have some fun. So when you use the key, what does the key do? I think the key in concert with that power toggle. Okay, key does turn it on. It lights it up. So now when we press things, there should be lights, sounds, who knows what else. Maybe this will shock the child. I have no idea. But we'll go ahead and fool around with it a little bit so you know what the kid is getting into. But this is super cute. This is also something good that'll probably have a long lifespan. And what you can do is when the kid grows out of it, you can donate it. You can give it to a friend who's got a little toddler, your neighbor, a classmate, someone else at school in a lower grade, listed on eBay. Something like this can have a long life because it does feel quite sturdy. What happens when we stick this in? It's going to make a connection. Okay, a light comes on. That's cool. And look, how often do we plug things in that use these exact same fittings, right? So they're learning. They're getting stimulated, sensories stimulated, fun, clicky buttons. Nice switch. I know you're waiting for that horn. There it is. More of a beep than a horn, right? More of a beep than a horn. That's fun to twirl that. It clicks. It is something satisfying about the click. This is really neat, and I think the kid will get a lot of enjoyment out of this from time to time. Keep them occupied with something that I think is more beneficial than just sitting in front of a tablet watching YouTube and all the weird kind of satanic shows that they have on there. 2 thumbs up.